The first Hungary Food and Cultural Festival was held in Langfang, North China's Hebei province. The event held on Thursday and Friday attracted thousands of visitors who came and enjoyed Hungarian cuisines and folk cultures.
品尝了很多匈牙利特色的美食，像土豆牛肉汤、炸油饼之类的，然后也看了很多有匈牙利特色的节目，都很精彩。
So we have prepared 15 different dishes from Hungary for this cultural event, and also some very nice red wine from Hungary. Hope you can all try, and hope that in the future we have more opportunities to have more exchange like this between Hungary and China.
Activities including concerts, poetry recitations, and cultural saloons also show the exchanges between the Chinese and Hungarian people.
We are very honored to have our first in 2023. Next year, we are celebrating the 75th anniversary of diplomatic relations between China and Hungary. So we are going to have many programs ready for our Chinese audience to explore about Hungary.